everyone. I'm your host, Rise, and I'm thrilled to have you all here today for this special Amazon Live event. I'm ready to have some fun and jump right into it. So today we are diving into the world of lashes with the I Envy Cluster Palette. That's this palette collection right here. Whether you're a pro at makeup or just starting out on your beauty journey, let's get ready to personalize your lash style with this collection. Grab a seat and let's talk all things beauty. Let me tell you why I envy this cluster palette. This girl right here. So what exactly makes the I Envy Cluster Palette so special? Let me break it down as to why she is just that girl. She's got it going on. Let's start with the basics. This amazing kit allows you to have customizable lash extension looks, both seamless and comfortable for wearing under your lashes. And guess what? Each palette even includes a mini applicator, mini mascara bond, and there are 14 cluster refills. Can you believe that? 14! That's amazing. This makes the lash application process convenient and user-friendly. Perfect for when you're on the go. And I know we are always on the go. If you're like me, you're always running around and getting into something. Now let's talk about the different styles, okay? There are 3 distinct styles of the cluster palette. We got our light, this girl right here. The light, she comes with the base, the medium, and the highlight. You're gonna love that. We got our neutral, yes, we got our neutral, and we have our deep. So these different palettes, they all cater to a different look and occasion. Okay, diversity. We love to switch it up. We love a product that lets us switch it up. The light cluster palette features natural clusters with a clear band, giving that your lashes but better type of look. It's perfect for a more natural makeup look. This palette is great for everyday wear because you know we must slay every single day. You just get it, I know you do. Next, we have our neutral cluster palette. This one has a mid-volume, wispy look with a black lash band. This palette is ideal for when you're out and about without looking too over the top. You know, a subtle slay. Not too much, just enough. Think of this product as your go-to for work or for a day out with friends. You know, we gotta have our friends in our lives. Lastly, the Deep Cluster Palette. It's all about volume and drama. Am I the drama? Maybe, but I know this palette definitely is. This is the perfect lash for a special occasion or nights out when you really want to make your eyes pop. Because you know we always gotta pop out and show them. I will never miss a moment to pop out in full glam. These are the lashes for you if you're all about the glam. One of the best things about these customizable palettes, not only are they $2 off today, but they are just so easy to use. Each palette comes with a variety of clusters, natural, wispy, and accent styles. The lengths range from 10 millimeters, 11 millimeters, and 12 millimeters. 10 millimeters to 15 with some mixed styles ranging from the lengths of 10 to 12. So you get to personalize your lash style just the way you like it with these lash clusters. And don't worry about running out of your favorite cluster because these palettes are refillable with insertable clusters. Let me show you just how easy it is to refill it. You just pop this out here and pop one right back in. And you're ready to be on the go again, just like that. All right, now let's get into the application process. It's really simple and I'm going to walk you through step by step because that's just the type of friend that I am. And we are locked in, bestie. It's me and you, me and you. So I've already applied my lash clusters, as you can see, a natural slay. First, I'm going to start to break it down for you, okay? So number 1, first using the applicator included, said applicator, you want to pluck the clusters from the tray. So this is my tray that I will be plucking from today. I'm not a rhymer, but somehow I'm just going, right? I think it's easier if you take out the tray and hold it to the opposite direction. That way it's easier to just grab and go. Actually, I think I'm gonna switch it up Let's see, which one do I want to use? I'm gonna go with, I'm gonna open a new palette and just jump right into it because we have the option to do that. Because remember, you have 14 refillable applications. Okay, so back into it. This is easiest if you take out the tray, holding the tray the opposite direction. The application is easily and specifically designed to grip the cluster without damaging them. So grab it, see, easy peasy, just like that, right? This acts, okay, so then we're gonna apply our Mascabond. I know, I'm introducing a new character. This is the black Mascabond. I like to apply a light coat. Remember, I already have mine on, so I'll show you. I would just apply it underneath here in the base of your clean and natural lashes. This acts as an adhesive to hold the cluster in place. So then you would want to grab your cluster and gently apply the cluster underneath the base of your lash. So I would just lift it and apply here. Placement to ensure the comfort of your eyes for the proper application. You want to do it slightly away from your waterline. And one tip that I like to say is apply from the outer to the inner, because I feel like it looks more natural when you do it that way. So finally, you're going to gently squeeze the cluster against your natural lashes using the lash applicator or even your fingers. I love to use my fingers because I feel like it just gives me a more secure hold and I'm able to feel the cluster against my actual lash. And this secures them in place so that we can have a long-lasting lash. And you know, we love our lashes to last a long time. And that's what you're gonna get with the I Envy Cluster palette, okay? So, as you know, I've applied mine, slay, slay, slay. So here are my before and after. As you can see, my lashes are fuller and have more length than before. And did I mention what a breeze it was to apply? I know you saw that, okay? I might tell a joke, but I won't tell a lie. Let's talk a bit more about the different styles and options. So there are so many things available with this kit. Said kit. And remember, you have that $2 option, $2 off option today. So make sure if you're loving it just like I am, you put your order in. We have a light, neutral, and deep styles. I'm just gonna jump right back into those and show you them again just in case, you know, we weren't paying that much attention. So we got our light, okay? Our neutral. The neutral is actually what I'm wearing today. As you can see, it just kind of blends in, gives me that on-the-go type of look. And then we have our deep. So additionally, these each come with the Mascabond. It comes in 2 types. I'm gonna break those down for you guys, okay? I really want you to just take a second and check out our Mascabonds because we have the black and we have the clear. The clear formula leaves 0 residue, so you won't have to worry about the bond showing on the lash band. So if you're looking for something a little more natural, the clear will be for you. However, the black bonding glue gives a mascara-like effect, adding a bit more depth to the lashes. Okay, so if you're that girl that wants to pop out even when you're not trying to pop out, you know, that subtle slay that we were talking about before, this is for you, the black Mascabond. And they both have a gentle yet strong formula suitable for all skin types. Okay, diversity, okay, inclusivity. We love to feel included. There's something for everyone here at I Envy. Let me show you how the clear and black Mascabond look when applied. So, you know I have my lashes on, but I'm gonna do it anyway because I love you and I want you to see just how easy it is to apply it, okay? So this is the black. Oh, okay. It's giving more oomph, okay? And then we're gonna go in with the clear. I'll do this side. You don't see much because it's clear. I can see clearly now with my Mascabond. Okay, I'm not a singer, guys, I'm not a singer. But you can see how the black adds extra dimension, almost mimicking the effect of mascara. And let's jump into my favorite. I know, I'm adding a new character, y'all. The Twilight Bond. For those of you looking for a more secure hold, we have the Twilight Bonding Glue. This has an even more secure grip and can last up to 14 days. You heard me right, that's 2 weeks, due to the 10% stronger formula. This is that girl. It's perfect for those who need their lashes to stay put in any occasion, or for those of us who are always on these little side missions. If you know, you know. I don't know. Maybe I'm cooking. Maybe I'm cleaning. Maybe I'm on a jet. Maybe I'm hiking up a hill. Maybe we're with the kids. Who knows? And if you're looking to improve the health of your natural lash, I got something for you. People always ask me, how are your lashes so healthy? How are they so long? Tell me, tell me, tell me. Now you get to have my secret. The Active Lash Serum is your new best friend. We're locked in, just like me and you, we're adding in a new bestie, okay? This bestie is formulated with wild yam root extract and other botanical ingredients. It helps to prevent hair loss while promoting healthier and stronger lashes. A must-have in your lash care routine. So you can check them out over here. That lash applicator, the Twilight Bond, they are gonna be your girls, okay? And you can't forget, I know I'm plugging it because I don't want you to miss out on such a special opportunity with that $2 off for this cluster palette. I've already broken it down for you and told you how special it is. It's a so back to, my Active Lash Serum. Sorry guys, I get a little distracted. I'm just so excited and grateful to be here with you today. It's a very light formula, so I personally use the Active Lash Serum anytime throughout the day or night. You heard me right, it doesn't even have to be a part of a routine. Anytime. And I've noticed a significant improvement in the strength and fullness of my natural lashes after applying a small swipe along my lash line. Just a small swipe every night or during the day. This is what that looks like, as you can see. It's clear, there's no residue, easy peasy, right? I love it. So I have been using the I Envy Cluster palette for a few weeks now, and I want to give you my honest review on what that feels like. I must say, it's been a game changer. I know, okay, let me chill out. It's been a game changer. I used to struggle with lash strips, but with the I Envy Cluster palette, it's made my life so much easier. I honestly would hate how it was always so messy and sticky with other lashes and the glue, and I kind of gave up on lashes altogether. I know, but with these clusters, the application is so much easier and the result is stunning. I mean, look at me. Is it not? Plus, I love how comfortable they feel. I often forget that I'm wearing them, which unheard of, okay? All right, let's just get back into it. But come close so I can tell you a story. It's story time, y'all. We all love a good story time. So one day I was having the longest day of meetings, and then I went to a dinner party. I'm running through the city, my heels are flying out of my bag, and I am sweating. But you know what did not fail me? Listen, what did not fail me was my lashes. The I Envy Cluster palette stayed in place all day without needing any touch-ups. I'm pretty sure I was wearing that neutral just like I am today. That's the type of commitment I'm looking for in my life. That's the kind of durability you get with the I Envy Cluster palette. Now, I feel like we're besties, right? I feel like we're pretty close and personal. So let's make this fun. Do a little dance, shake it out, shake that day out. How about a quick poll? I love a good poll. Okay, so what styles are you most excited for? Most excited to try? Is it gonna be the light? Huh? Can I get a, huh? Yeah, okay. Is it gonna be the neutral? Maybe. Or the deep. And don't forget about the different bases, the highlights, and the millimeters. We got the 10 with the deep. We got 10, 11, and 12, okay? And going back to that natural, we got the base, the medium, and that highlight. So now that I've given you the details, drop your answers in the chat. I need to know. Come on, tell me. Ooh. Okay, so it seems like we really are besties because I see a lot of you love the deep style. You all love the full glam, just like me. The deep is the winner. I know. I knew I liked you. I knew it. Mwah. So let's quickly recap the key features of the I Envy Cluster palette. We're gonna start with the first one. That's our customizable lash extension look. It's perfect for any occasion. You remember the on the go, walking the dog, hanging out with the friends, and then we have our mini applicator, said mini applicator, and the Mascabon included. Everything you need in one kit. And I'll show you that kit right here. Everything you need right here. 3 styles available: our light, our neutral, our deep, and our different, and they're all for different looks. So you can't forget that. You'll always have an opportunity to switch it up with those 14 refillable, customizable packs, okay? Oh, jumping right into our refillable clusters. They're convenient for on-the-go refills. Remember, I showed you guys how you could just pop this on out. You're popping it out, and then you're popping one right back in, sticking it in your bag, and there you go. You won't have to fret, you won't have to worry at all. So we're jumping into our clear and our black Mascabon options. Choose the finish you prefer. You get to choose whether you want to pop out or whether you want to play it cool, okay? The Twilight Bond for that extra hold. Did I show you guys her? Look, that Twilight Bond. Extra hold lasts up to 14 days, okay? And then our last but not least, my favorite, the Active Lash Serum. It promotes healthy and strong lashes. We talked about how special she is, how that's how I got my lashes to be just the way they are. And okay, my lovers, I've had a beautiful time. I do want to say, just check out these palettes, our cluster palettes. They are so beautiful. They're super fun. Even if you just want to mess around and you're new to makeup, this is the opportunity for you to try lashes in your routine. So my lovers, I hate to say goodbye, but I must go. I'm so grateful to have had this time with you. I am just so thankful. I gotta go. I love you so much, but remember that beauty is about feeling confident and expressing yourself. And these lash kits are a great way to enhance your natural beauty because it's already inside of you. As we look forward to the debut, I invite you to prepare to elevate your look. One lash cluster at a time, right here, these girls. Be sure to check out the products on Amazon, take advantage of our $2 off deal, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications for more beauty tips and product reviews. Stay beautiful, everyone, and see you next time. Thank you once again for joining us today. Have a wonderful day and happy lashing.